If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. That's one of the nursery rhymes that I love singing with my little one. I think we both jump and dance and clap our hands. And this is one of the nursery rhymes that I believe a free child as well can resonate with. We all have a free child within. This free child loves to dance, loves to sing, it bubbles with laughter inside. It has a free spirited soul to itself. It loves experimenting, right? So the moments we just feel lifted up and we feel so creative and ready to take on action, ready to do anything, be just as spontaneous and free as possible. But there could be other moments when we have our adult or parent state of mind. So Eric Berne actually is the founder of transaction analysis, and he says that we have three ego states, that of the parent, adult, and child. And I'm going to be talking about the child in us to actually see what turns out when we really experiment with our child, or we just listen to that inner voice that comes in from inside, that instinctive voice. That free spirited child inside of us is fluid, spontaneous, has lots of ideas, wants to implement, but there could be other voices that could actually restrict that free child from taking those actions. So, how are we dealing with that inner voice, that inner child of ours, which we all have within, which we all love exploring? And these sides could come out in front of certain people in certain scenarios, maybe when we're alone or maybe on a holiday. It could be the environment that plays a role in our child actually popping out and bubbling and bursting with laughter. So, what is it that you can see in your life as maybe a pattern? Because our child, adult, and parent state are all patterns, behavioral patterns, which comes from various feelings and emotions, various episodes, the past that's happened with us, how we've brought it up, the the incidents, the environment all plays a role in shaping that up. So my invitation to all of you is to listen to your inner child, your free child. Your free child has been asking you to do something within this closure, this lockdown. Even though like things are moving now, we see a lot of traffic outside on the road, a lot of people outside, yet we're still protective, and we're still taking all the care, and it's still a new environment, something that I call a new beginning for all of us. While COVID takes us to the path of courage and we take a deep dive inside, so a lot of my coaches say that there has been a lot of self discovery happening during this time. I would love to know in the comment section from all of you as well what you've been doing. But yes, self discovery and an inner journey is certainly something that's happening in everyone's life at the moment. And that needs courage, that needs real courage. Even listening to this free child's voice, what is he telling you? What is that one thing maybe you would want to pick up on right now? What is that behavior that this free child tells you? What is this pattern? What is this limitation that this free child could experience? Because this free child is very creative. This free child loves to experience, evolve, expand. And the free child is not scared of failing. The free child knows even if we failed, so what? There's a lot to learn from it. And each experience counts as a new learning in our lives. So, when you have to listen to that inner child's voice, what sort of courage can you build on within yourself while you take that deep dive inside? In the midst of different emotions, in the midst of different experiences that we all are going through for the first time in our life, what is it that you could do to build that inner courage, to listen to that free child of yours, that voice which is telling you to take that action? And so what if you fail? It's absolutely fine. What does your heart sing? Like I said last time, and what is your free child asking you to do because surely the free child wants to experience, expand, and evolve. And there is no better time than now to do that, because we would never have so much time at hand ever. We've never had it before, we could never have it in the future, as much time as we have during this whole lockdown. Looking forward to your answers in the comments. Listen to your inner child and go with the flow.